This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace water pump on Toyota Sienna, easy method. Begin by gathering tools and replacement parts and disconnect the battery for safety. Drain the cooling system into a clean container and dispose of old coolant responsibly. Label hoses and bolts as you remove them to speed reassembly. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly and inspect the timing components while the front cover is off. Start by loosening the drive belt and slipping it off the pulleys to access the pump. Remove any brackets or accessories blocking the pump bolts and keep parts organized. Gradually unbolt the pump in a pattern to avoid warping the housing and lower it away from the engine. Clean the gasket surface with a non-abrasive scraper and solvent, then dry and prepare the area for the new pump and gasket. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with learning to save on repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new pump with a fresh gasket and carefully align bolt holes before hand-threading fasteners. Tighten bolts in a crisscross pattern to the specified torque and reinstall the drive belt with proper tension. Reconnect hoses, restart the engine, and check for leaks while the system warms. Monitor temperature gauge and recheck coolant level after a short test drive to confirm no air remains and the repair is solid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.